Hello everyone and welcome! This is Troglodidi from SimpleTrade. In today's review, we are going to investigate the stock NBRI. The stock recently ran more than 100%, and we are going to understand why. From looking at the chart, it is noticeable that the stock has been holding its support at 0008 for the past 3 months and has been accumulated at these levels for quite some time. This means that something might have been in the works. The share structure looks promising and will seemingly allow for a powerful run. On top of that, the company is already pink current and fully reporting. At this price, it is a rarity, meaning possible evolvement of the company into interesting projects. The company is concentrating on the mining sector, one of the hottest sectors out there. They are currently promoting the Tulameen project, soon to become operational again. In this nice ditty by fellow trader Nilogram, we can see mails received from the CEO which state that no reverse split is planned and the Tulameen project will soon be back and running. And so, it is safe to derive that the anticipation for the return to the operational state of the company and incoming projects are what causes the current rise of the stock. I hope you have enjoyed and learned from watching the video. You are welcome to check the other reviews at the SimpleTrade YouTube channel and expand your knowledge. Be sure to subscribe and join the Discord community to stay posted about new videos and reviews. Study, learn, progress and prosper, my friends.